Good morning, everyone. In the previous session, we discussed about what is our major project and who is our client, what is the purpose of our project, and what are the plans that we are providing in our major project. And I asked you people to do some research. What are the conditions available for each plan? These are public plans available in the US government, right? So in the real time, we are going to develop web applications in two ways. Some web applications comes under internet-based projects. Some web applications comes under intranet-based project. So what is the difference between internet and intranet? Right. Internet means anybody can access that application. Intranet means only specific users can access within the organization. So whatever the project we are developing, that project is for state government. Project is state government project. So this is a portal that we are developing for Rhode Island state government. The project name is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. So it is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. By using this application, RI state government providing below health and insurance plans for state citizens. There are several plans are available. What are those plans? First one is a SNAP, second one is a CCAP, third one Medicaid, fourth one Medicare, fifth one is QHP, sixth one is RIW. SNAP stands for SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program. Medicaid, Medicare are health plans, medical plans. QHP is also a medical plan, that is Qualified Health Plan. It is a commercial plan. Qualified Health Plan. Okay. RIW. RIW stands for Rhode Island Works. RIW stands for Rhode Island Works. Fine, guys. Now, citizens who are the citizens who are poor in the RI state, they can apply for the plans which are providing by government. Now, in the Rhode Island state, there is a department called DHS. DHS stands for Department of Health Services. Department of Health Services. So now, in DHS department, DHS employees will be available. DHS employees we are going to call as case workers. Those employees are called as case workers. IAS application will be accessible in DHS offices. IAS application will be accessible in DHS offices. Case workers will use IAS application to provide benefits for citizens. Got my point? Whatever the project we are developing, that project is called as IAS project. So case workers are going to use this IAS application. Who is called as a case worker? Case worker means he is an employee in the DHS department. How we have medical department, bank department, revenue department, municipal department, railway department. Similarly, there is a department called DHS department. DHS stands for Department of Health Services in the US. So in the DHS department, government employees are available. Those are called as case workers, right? IES application will be accessible only in DHS offices. How Aadhaar card application is accessible only in the Aadhaar center. Similarly, our IES application also is accessible only in the DHS offices. If you go to Aadhaar center, can you use that project? Can you use that project? No. I want to update my mobile number for the Aadhaar card. Aadhaar with mobile linking. If I go to Aadhaar center, can I use their system? Can I modify my mobile number? No. So that project is a portal. That Aadhaar card portal will be available. That is accessible only by employees who are working in the Aadhaar department. Similarly, when you go for the DHS office, in the DHS office, case workers will be available. Case workers are nothing but they are the government employees in the DHS department. those case workers will access our IES application. Okay, citizens want to apply for a plan. For example, Rhode Island state is available. In that state, so many cities will be available. Okay, this is my assume that this is Rhode Island state. Rhode Island state is available. In this Rhode Island state, there are many cities available. Many cities and many villages will be available in the Rhode Island state. In every city, there will be a DHS office. Now, simple example, SBI Bank. In every city, SBI banks are available. You can go to that SBI bank if you want to deposit the money and if you want to withdraw the money. In every SBI bank, SBI application will open, SBI employees will be available. Similarly, in every city, DHS office will be available. In the DHS office, case workers will be available. Now, I'm a Rhode Island state citizen. I want to apply for RIW. I completed my graduation. I don't have a job. I want to learn some new technologies. I don't have money for that. I need some support for the government. Now, I need to visit the nearest DHS office to my home. Where I am staying in the Rhode Island state, near to my home, where the DHS, simple example, I'm in the Amirpet. I want to deposit some money in the SBI bank account. So what I will do, I will find nearest SBI bank. I will go to that bank. I will fill up the form. I will give to SBI employee. That person will use one application. He will deposit the money to my account. Same process in the US, Rhode Island state citizens will follow. When they want to apply for some plan which is given by the government, those citizens should find out where is the DHS office near to them. Where is the DHS office near to them? That the citizen should go to that DHS office, should talk to case worker. Who is called as a case worker? Come on, guys. Who is called as a case worker? Case worker is an employee in the DHS department. Now, I'm a citizen. I will see where is the DHS office near to my house. I will find out that address of the DHS office and I will go to the DHS office. In the DHS office, employees will be available. I will ask them that I want to apply for RIW plan. Then case worker will open our IES application, will take the data from the citizen, will give to the system. System will decide that person is eligible for that plan or not based on his conditions. Okay. If that person is eligible for the plan, he will get the benefits to his bank account every month. If he is denied for the plan, what is the reason for the denial? Like that, our system will decide that the citizen is eligible for the plan given by the government or not. Are you guys getting my point? What is our project name? What is our project name, guys? IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. Rhode Island state government project. We are dealing with that. Okay. So state government is our client. For that state government, we are providing a project. What is the main purpose of the project? What is the main purpose of the project? It is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. By using this IES application, RI is providing below health and insurance plans for state citizens. Okay. What are the plans available? What are the SNAP plans available? SNAP is available, CCAP is available, Medicaid is available, Medicare is available, QHP available, RIW available. What is the full form of the SNAP? SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, CCAP, Child Care Assistance Program, Medicaid, Medicare, Health Plans, QHP, Qualified Health Plan, RIW, Rhode Island Works. Citizens can use our application directly or citizens cannot use our application directly. Citizens cannot use our application directly. Why? Because it is a intranet project. What is the meaning of intranet project? It is accessible only within the organization. So what is the DHS? What is DHS? DHS stands for Department of Health Services. So in the DHS department, some government employees are available. Those employees we are going to call as case worker. IES application will be accessible only in the DHS offices. Case workers will use IES application to provide benefits for citizens. Okay. Citizens should visit nearest DHS office to apply for plans. As I told you, you want to update mobile number for your Aadhaar card. What you will do? You need to book a slot. You need to go to nearest Aadhaar center. You need to take a token, stand in the queue. That employee will be there. He will take your form. He will update in the system. After 1 week, your mobile number will be linked with your Aadhaar number. When your mobile number linked with the Aadhaar number, then you will get a message to your mobile number updated. Same concept is there. Same concept for our project. How many of you visit Aadhaar center? Almost all, right? I have also visited Aadhaar center recently in Maitrivanam building. Morning at 10 o'clock, I have been there. Evening 5 o'clock, I came out. That much BD is there. So I want to update my mobile number in the Aadhaar card. I have been morning 10 o'clock. So many people are waiting. Those people are government employees. They came by 11 o'clock, 11:45 tea break, 12:30 lunch break, 4 o'clock chai break, 5 o'clock finally my task is completed. So that is how government employees will work, right? Same concept here also. DHS offices are available. In the DHS office, government employees will be available. Any citizen who wants to apply for the plan, citizen should visit nearest DHS office to apply for the plan. Okay. Case worker, when citizen wants to apply for the plan, whatever the theory I'm telling, everything you need to explain in the interview. When they ask, tell me about your project. Now observe carefully. If somebody asks me, Ashok, could you please explain about your project? How I will tell them? Because whenever I'm explaining, you need to observe my body language. You need to observe my communication. You need to observe the confidence in my face, confidence in my voice. So with that confidence, if I explain my project, they will not ask any question on the project. And first of all, how much time your interview will happen? Maximum 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes maximum it will happen. If your interview happen more than 40 minutes technical round, that means you got selected in that interview. If your performance is not good, within 15 to 20 minutes only they will close your interview. 30 to 40 if it is going, if your interview is going 30 to 40 minutes of time, then that means that is a positive vibration. Interviewer is satisfied with your answer. They want to take you for the interview. Recently, just to check my skill set, I have given interview for the Reliance Jio company on the DevOps, not on the Java. On the DevOps, I have given the interview for the Reliance Jio company in our institute cabin only. I have taken face-to-face interview video call. They have taken interview for 1.5 hours. Within 7 days, I got the offer letter from the Reliance Jio as a DevOps consultant. But I'm not interested to join. That is a different story. I'm teaching DevOps. I want to understand my class, my subject is matching with industry expectations or not. They have taken interview 1.5 hours. 3 people are there in the interview because it is a team lead position for DevOps. 3 people has taken the interview, 1.5 hour interview. So after 40 minutes, I realized that they are impressed. If interview is going more than 40 minutes, that is a positive vibration. You got selected in that interview. If they stop less than 30 minutes, it is a doubtful situation. So like that, you need to have that idea how interview is happening, how they are asking the questions. If they are asking more and more, what is the meaning of that? They impressed. They want to dig into more. They want to select you. If they stop within 20 minutes, they will think that waste of time. Isko kuch nahi aata, why to waste our time? Let's stop it. So that is how you need to realize that. Now here, citizens will visit nearest DHS office to apply for the plans, right? Now, when citizen apply for the plan, when citizen want to apply for the plan, citizen cannot use the IES directly. In the browser, in the internet, IES not available. It is a intranet application. Citizens cannot access directly. Citizens should visit nearest DHS office. In the DHS office, case worker will be available. Case worker is an employee of the government. Okay, he will use our system. I will go to the DHS office. Hi, my name is John. I am from so and so city in the Rhode Island state. I completed my graduation. I don't have a job. I need to apply for RIW plan. Then case worker, okay, come here. He will open the system. Tell me your first name. Tell me your last name. Tell me your mobile number. Tell me your email ID. Tell me your SSN number. Tell me your date of birth. Tell me your gender. Like that, they will collect all the data. What is your qualification? What is your highest degree? Which college? Which university? What about your family? Who is your father? Who is your mother? What they are doing? How much amount they are getting per month? How much tax they are paying per month? Do you have any siblings? What they are doing? What is your family income? What is your rental income? What is your family expenditure? Do you have any properties in that state? Are you getting any rent income? Are you getting any other extra income? Like that, that employee will collect all the data from the citizen. Then it will tell to system, this is the citizen data. He want to apply for RIW. For RIW, some business conditions will be available. Citizen data will be matched with the business condition. If all conditions are satisfied, citizen will be approved for the plan. If a citizen approved for the plan, government will provide monthly pocket money for the citizen to update the skill set for 3 months or for 6 months of time. Suppose citizen family income is more than $5,000 per month, that person will be denied. Your family having good income source, you don't need any support from the government, that person will be denied. For example, a person came, his age is 45 years. He don't have a job. Age condition. If you want to apply for RIW, your age should be less than 25 years. Less than 25 years. Okay. Some person will go and apply for Medicare. That person age is only 50 years. He is not eligible for the Medicare. Are you getting my point? Like this, for every plan, some conditions will be available. Citizen data will match with the conditions of the plan. Every plan having some condition. Every plan is having some conditions. If a citizen data matching with those conditions, then only citizen will be approved for the plan. If a citizen data not matching with the condition, then he will be denied for the plan. Simple. You will go for interview. They will ask questions. If you answer all the questions correctly, then they will select you. If you don't answer all the questions properly, then they will reject you. Same concept here also. Citizen will apply for the plan with the help of a case worker. If a citizen data matching with the plan condition, citizen will be approved for the plan. If a citizen data not matching with the condition, citizen will be denied for the plan. What is the reason for the denial? That reason also we are going to tell. Your family having high income, your age is not matching with the plan condition, you are getting extra income from the rent, you have some properties, you don't need the support from the government. So if you deny, why you denied, that reason also they will provide. If you approve, your data matching with the plan condition, you are approved, you will get the plan for 6 months of time. Every month you will get $250 to your bank account. That will be given by the government. So like this, some people will be approved, some people will be denied for the plan. Some people will be terminated. For example, you came for RIW, you approved. After 2 months, you got the job. Then you will be terminated from the plan. So approved status, denied status, terminated status will be available. Do you remember first mini project? What we have developed? Our first mini project is one module in the major project. Are you guys getting my point? So there is a link. Whatever mini projects we have developed, all the 3 mini projects are having the link with the major project. Our first mini project is reports module in the major project. People will apply for the plans. Some people will be denied for the plan. Some people will be approved for the plan. Some people will be terminated for the plan. I want to download the report, who got approved. I want to download the Excel, who got denied. I want to download the report, who is continuing with the plan, who is ongoing with the plan. I want to download citizens data, who denied for the SNAP, who denied for the CCAP, who denied for the Medicaid. Our first mini project is already ready. That is a reports module. Can I say that is one microservice? We developed backend with the UI also, but in the major project, only backend logic we are going to develop. UI will be developed in the Angular. Backend will be developed in the Spring Boot REST API. But in first mini project, what we have done? Monolithic application we have developed. Backend, front end, everything in the single application. But in the major project, what I need to do? I need to separate backend and front end. Backend with the Spring Boot microservice, front end with the Angular. Are you guys clear? Right. Now, see, if somebody asks me, Ashok, can you explain about your project? Okay, how? I will explain. Observe my expressions, observe my confidence, observe my words. Fine. Hi, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce about myself and my project. So I will explain about myself then. Currently, I'm working on IES application. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. We are developing this application for Rhode Island state government. That government is our direct client, right? This application is using by Rhode Island state government DHS department to provide health and insurance plans for Rhode Island state citizens. As part of this application, we are providing several insurance and health plans: SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, RIW. SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. That is a food stamp program. That program is applicable for the families who are having low or no income. Second one is the CCAP. CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program. It is a kids program. It is applicable for the families who are having small kids with less income. And third one is a Medicaid. It is a medical plan applicable for the families who are having low resources. And Medicare is available. That is also a medical plan, but it is applicable for senior citizens. Age limit is above 60 years. And we are having QHP, Qualified Health Plan. That is a commercial plan. And we have RIW. RIW stands for Rhode Island Works. It is an unemployment plan. This plan is applicable for the graduates who don't have a job, right? These plans are providing by our application, but citizens cannot apply for these plans directly because our IES is a intranet application. Only this application is accessible in the DHS offices. In every city in the Rhode Island, DHS department offices are available. In the DHS department, case workers are available. They are the government employees in the Rhode Island state. If any citizen want to apply for a plan in the IES, they should visit the nearest DHS office. They should talk to the case worker. Case worker will use IES, will collect the data from the citizen, will determine citizen eligibility for the plan. For every plan, conditions will be available. If a citizen data matching with those conditions, citizen will be approved for the plan, then he will get the benefit amount on monthly basis. If a citizen data not matching with the plan condition, citizen will be denied for the plan. What is the reason for the denial also? We are going to tell to the citizen. This is all about my application. Non-stop, confidently, I'm explaining for 2 minutes of time. If I explain this much clearly, will they ask any question on the project? No. First of all, whatever the project we are developing, that is a very big project. In general, in the real time, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, we are going to work on the project. In the interview, if I explain a project in 5 minutes, do you think that they will understand? No. No, impossible. Because I'm working on the project from last 4 years. That's why I have that much confidence. If I tell to someone in 5 minutes about my project, what they will understand? Nothing. Nothing. The only thing is they will check your confidence. They will check your communication. They will check your voice. How confidently you are explaining the things. Whether your project is correct project or doesn't, whether that is a real project or whether it is a dummy project, really that project is available, project is not available, that company person don't know. First of all, he don't know what is that project. Even if I explain, he don't understand what is that project. When you are explaining the project, they will check your communication. They will check your confidence. They will check your body language. Are you getting my point? So when you are explaining the project, you need to rotate your hands also. DHS office will be available. Citizen should go to that movement will give the confidence for that person. If I am explaining with my hands rotation, what is the meaning of that? I am confident. I'm confident. My face expression, my hands movement, my body language, everything they will observe. If they satisfy with that, then they will go for the technical questions. Because the project which I developed, how you will know that? The project which I developed, how you will know that? Within 5 minutes, you can't understand that. Even if I explain 24 hours also, you can't understand that. Because that is a very big insurance complex application. Company struggling with 1,500 members from last 7 years to develop that project. How can I explain you within 5 minutes? Okay, I can just give you what is the overview. What is the overview? Even if I give the overview, they may not understand the complete business of the project. The thing is, confidence is important. Communication is important. Your body language is important. Are you clear? Fine. Let us see this. Read it once again. Client. Who is our client? Rhode Island State Government. Rhode Island State Government. Project name. Another problem here. When you are attending interview, whatever the companies that you are keeping, they will ask one question. It asked for several students in our project batches. Your company looks very small. How you got that much big project? That is a 3,000 crores budget project. We are dealing with the state government. Okay. How your company got that much big project? Your company is very small company. How you got that much big project? So that is a damn sure question they will ask when you explain about the project. Okay. So in the resume preparation, you will understand what is the technique to escape from that question. Okay. We are saying that we are not directly dealing with the Rhode Island State. My company is acting as a vendor for some other company. That company got the project from the client. We will say that this project is developed in the Deloitte company. I am not permanent employee for the Deloitte. I'm a contract employee for the Deloitte. My payroll company is a small company. My payroll company doing the staffing. My payroll company giving the salary and deployed me in the Deloitte company. I worked in the Deloitte company as a client company. Like that, we need to prepare one story. In the resume preparation, I will explain how to prepare that story. Got it? Yeah. First, focus on the project information. Right. Read that. Client. Who is our client? Rhode Island. What is the name of the project? Integrated eligibility system. Then it is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. By using IES application, RI is providing below health and insurance plans for RI state citizens. What is that? SNAP. What is the purpose of SNAP? SNAP means Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Who is eligible for SNAP? Who is eligible for the SNAP? The families who are having low income and no income. Okay. So SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, applicable for the families who are having low and no income. CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program. Next one, Medicaid. Medicaid. What is Medicaid? What is Medicaid? Applicable for families who are having less properties and all. Medicare. Applicable for the families who are having above 60 years. QHP. Qualified Health Plan. RIW. Rhode Island Works. So who is eligible for RIW? Rhode Island Works. Then what is the DHS? Department of Health Services. Who are the DHS employees? Case worker. So who can access IES? IES application will be accessible only in the DHS offices. Case worker will use IES to provide benefits for citizens. Citizens should visit nearest DHS office to apply for the plan. Citizen should talk to case worker. Citizen should talk to case worker to apply for plan. Citizen should talk to case worker to apply for the plan. Yes. Anybody having questions as of now about our project? Anyone from offline? Any question with respect to our project? Now you got the not complete picture of the project. You got the basic overview. What is our project? Why our project? Who will use our project? What is the business that we are doing with our project? Yep. Anybody having any questions from offline? Pramod, stand up. Now I want to provide benefits for the citizens. Without application, how you will track it? For whom you have given the benefit? For whom you have not given the benefit? How many people applied for the plan? How many people not applied? How many denied? How many not denied? How can we maintain that data? Correct. Maintaining the data is the problem. Determining who is eligible, who is not eligible, how can you determine manually? Can you check it? What is his age? Satisfied. What is his income? Satisfied. Can you check manually? No, that is a problem. So if you want to provide such kind of benefits for citizens in a government, maintaining that data manually, determine who is eligible, who is not eligible is very difficult task. To automate that process, we are developing this project. Good. No. DHS is just a department. That's it. Next one. Any other questions, anyone? Online people, can you type your question in the chat? Vaibhav, it is not just insurance. It is not just health. It is a combination of health and insurance. The domain of the project is health and insurance. Some health plans available, some insurance plans also available. Food plans also available. Interviewer asking, is your project completed or not? What we answer? Tell them that it is ongoing. We can say that under development. How to tell the client name? All those things I'm going to discuss in the resume preparation, guys. No, we don't know. That's it. Actually, what happened is we are from the Deloitte company and this is Rhode Island state government. Deloitte is not a direct interaction with the Rhode Island. There is a mediator for the Deloitte and Rhode Island. That mediator is McD. You will go for burgers, na? McD. Those people are the mediators. McDonald's. Those people got the project from the government. They gave the project to the Deloitte. So these are called as the brokers in the market. So brokers will be available. Companies will not directly get the project sometimes. So there will be a mediator. Mediator will take the project from the Deloitte, project from the Rhode Island. That mediator will give the project to the companies. In the real time, what will happen is now here Rhode Island government is available, guys. Rhode Island government is available. In that Rhode Island government, IT department will be available. In our state also, IT minister will be available. In the central also, IT ministers will be available. Now, in the Rhode Island, IT department ministers will be available. Those people will tell to their friends, the business people in the market, we want one software project. Then, so here, this RI government having good relations with the McD company. RI government is having good relation with the McD company. Now, RI government told to McD company, we want this project. This is our requirement. Then McD company called several companies for the bidding. They called Accenture, they called Deloitte, they called IBM, they called several other companies which are available in the US. Now assume that this is Accenture, this is also foreign-based company, and they called a company called Deloitte, foreign-based company. They called a company called UHG, foreign-based company. Okay, what McD people told is This all the story happened before I joined in that company. Okay, so it started 10 years back. Now, this MACD people called all the companies for the bidding auction. We have this requirement. We want to develop a project for the Rhode Island government. I am giving you the contract for you. Rhode Island will deal with MACD company. MACD company will deal with the actual companies. Now, these people has given the bidding for 4,000 CR. These people given the bidding for 3,500 CR. This company has given the deal for 3,000 CR. Now, MACD company has given the project to Deloitte company. So they called several companies for the bidding. So they will ask which company will do for less cost and within the less time. Maybe MACD has taken 5,000 CR from RI government. Okay, so these people will take the 2,000 CR benefit and they will pay 3,000 CR for the Deloitte company. Deloitte company responsible for developing that project. So like that it will happen. Now what we will say that the project is developing by which company? Deloitte company. Now we are the employees of another company. Our company name is some ABC. We are from some ABC company. ABC company selling the employees to Deloitte company. You are belongs to ABC company, but you are doing the work for the Deloitte company. ABC company is your payroll company. Deloitte company is your client company. When someone asks you how your ABC company got the Rhode Island state government project, no, that is not our direct project. That is the direct project for the Deloitte company. We are the vendors for the Deloitte. Deloitte is my client company. ABC is my payroll company. ABC company we are going to keep as a consultancy company, which will give the fake documents for you to show your gap as a experience. All this story we will understand in the resume preparation classes. If I explain all that stuff now, you will get confused. Okay, I'm not talking about that. First, let's focus more on our project information. What is our project? Who is our client? What is the functionality of the project? Who can access our application? What is the logic available in our application? First, we need to understand. Remaining part we will discuss later. Okay, good. So any questions as of now? Online students? Accenture also doing this kind of projects. No queue, no question. Payment gateway, we'll talk about the payment gateway. Okay. Invoices, yeah. Fine. How much time we need to explain the project? Maximum 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. You need to take time to explain about your project. Okay, fine guys. Fine. With this, we understood the basic overview of our project. Now, let's talk about our project modules. In IES project, we have below modules. The first module, that is admin module. IES project is having admin module. Okay. Then next one, we are having admin module. Then application registration module is available. Before that, user management module is available. Admin user management. I can, instead of user management, I can say case worker management. Instead of that, let me give the name as admin module. Okay, so let me keep that as user management. Fine. Next one, application registration module is available. Then data collection module is available. Eligibility determination module available, and correspondence module available. Then benefit issuance module is available, and reports module is also available. So total, I'm taking 8 modules in the application. What are those 8 modules? Admin, nothing but user management, AR, here nothing but user management, AR, nothing but application registration module available. Data collection, to collect the data from the citizen, data collection module. ED, eligibility determination. who is eligible for the plan will be determined by ED module. CO module, nothing but correspondence module. Okay. And BI module is available. Benefit issuance module is available. Now, in that company, I worked on CO module. I'm part of the correspondence module, right? And my colleague, I told you, Karthik, is a faculty in our institute also. He worked on this BI module. He was the lead for the BI module. I was the team member of the correspondence module. He is a senior than me. He is a lead at that time for the BI module. I am the team member in the correspondence module. We used to sit together. Our cubicles are nearby. So we became friends in that company, previous company. Now he is working as a trainer in our institute also. He is taking Java 8 futures, multi-threading workshop, whatever the workshops that you have taken, right? Some short-term course, design patterns and all, he is taking that, right? So now we are colleagues in the Deloitte company and we are colleagues in the present company also. Right. So admin module is available, user management module is available, AR module is available, DC module, ED module, CO module, BI module. Initially, when I joined in the project, few days, few months I worked on AR module, DC module. Later, completely 2.5 years, I worked on only one module, that is correspondence module. Karthik completely worked on only in the BI module. Okay. So module wise, we have teams. Like this, we have 25 modules in the project, but I can't discuss all the 25 modules here. Time is not sufficient. So I'm going to discuss only 8 modules here, 8 modules functionality. And I have given 6 plans here, 6 plans here. So in the real time, 18 to 20 plans are available from that project. Okay. So real time project, remember one thing, real time project, how we are developing in the IT company, same kind of project with the same functionality we cannot develop in the training. Why? Because in the company that environment will be available, the servers will be available, database will be available, network will be available, and most important thing, manpower will be available. What is the meaning of manpower? Employees, resources will be available. There will be a team for the database, there will be a team for the development, there will be a team for the testing, there will be a team for the deployment, there will be a team to clarify your functional requirement. In the training, everything should done by the trainer. So that project, I was part of the project for 3.5 years. I was part of the project for 3.5 years, but actually that project started 7-8 years ago. 7-8 years ago. So complete end-to-end project development is not possible. Not only me, nobody can do that. Even if I work on that project for 2 years also, I cannot develop the complete project. As I told you, that is very big complex application. 1500 is the team size. In that, developers, testers, DevOps, database, and functional team members also available. So from that project, what is the most important functionality available? What are the most famous plans in the market? What are the famous modules in that project? Those things we are going to discuss here. Are you getting my point? Right. What are the modules available in the project? Admin module available. User management module is available. Application registration module. Data collection module. ED module. CO module. BI module. Reports module is available. Okay. Now let us see the architecture of our application. How it is going to look like. So this is our, assume that admin module. Okay. Admin API will be available. Admin API will be available. What is the meaning of admin API? That is one REST API in the backend. Then next one, we have API. That is user management API. Then I have AR API. AR stands for application registration API. And the next one, we are having DC API. And we are having ED API. ED API. And next one, CO API is available. Then BI API is available. Okay. Then reports API is available. Reports API is available. So these are the 8 8 modules that are there. I'm taking 8 APIs for that. 8 backend APIs I'm going to take. Okay. So now this is one backend API, admin API, and this is user management API, and this is AR API. This is data collection API. This is ED API, and this is CO API, that is correspondence API. This is BI API, and this is reports API. So like this, we are having 8 APIs in our application. Okay, fine, good. In the real time, 25 modules are available. So much complexity is available in that project. Okay, now I'm taking 8 modules. I'm taking 8 APIs here. For all these APIs, one user interface will be available. UI will be available for our application. User interface. We can call it as UI application. Backend APIs are available. They are called as microservices. In the front end, user interface is available. Okay. This user interface will communicate with our backend REST APIs. For the backend REST APIs, we are having one database. So this is DB. Got it. Now, all these APIs are going to communicate with the database to store the data, retrieve the data, and all that stuff. So now, here guys, AR API is having logic to communicate with SSA Web API. SSA Web is a third-party API. SSA Web is a third-party API. Sir, what is this SSA Web API? SSA Web is a federal government project. Our IES application is a state government project. SSA Web is a federal government project. How we have Aadhaar card project? Aadhaar card is a state government project or central government project? Aadhaar card is a central government project. Now, pension programs are available. Pension programs are state government or central government? State government. There belongs to state government. For every state, pension schemes are available. Okay, guys. AP pension scheme, TS pension scheme, UP pension scheme, Orissa pension scheme. Every state having their own pension schemes. If you want to apply pension for your father or mother, they will ask Aadhaar number. Okay, Aadhaar numbers will be maintained by state government or central government. Central government. Now assume that, let me take Telangana. Telangana pension application is available. And here we are having Aadhaar card project. We are having Aadhaar application. When you apply pension for your father or mother or for your grandmother or grandfather, they will ask your Aadhaar number. Then what will happen? This pension application will communicate with the Aadhaar application to verify Aadhaar number is valid or not. Similarly, when a citizen apply for a plan, citizen will have a SSN number. How we have a Aadhaar number in the India? In the US, they have a SSN number. Social security number will be available. Whenever citizen want to apply for a plan, AR API will communicate with the SSA Web API. This is third-party web service communication. AR API is part of IES application. SSA Web API is a central government project. Our project is a state government project. Our project should communicate with the central government project to verify citizen SSN number is valid or not. Citizen belongs to which state. So can anybody apply for the plan? Only RI citizens can apply for the plan. Only RI citizens can apply for the plan. When citizen apply for a plan, AR API will take the citizen SSN number. It will give the SSN to third-party application. Third-party application will verify this SSN is valid or not. If it is valid, this SSN belongs to which state citizen. If that citizen belongs to California, stop it. He is not eligible to apply for the plan. If a citizen belongs to Texas, stop it. He is not from our state. If SSN belongs to RI state, Rhode Island, okay, he can apply for that plan. So that integration will be there from AR API to SSA Web API. And here we are having correspondence API, my favorite API, correspondence API. This correspondence API will talk to Redis server to get static data. We are having Redis cache in the project. This correspondence API will talk to AWS S3 bucket to store the PDFs for the citizens. Okay, Redis server will be available and AWS S3 will be available. Okay, and here we are having DC API, ED API, BI API, reports API, correspondence API. My correspondence API will communicate with the Redis server to get the static data, cache memory. My correspondence API will communicate with the AWS S3 service to upload the PDFs in the cloud storage. And BI API is available. For BI API, we are having one remote location. So here, whatever the benefits we want to send, that benefits we are going to send by using this BI API. BI API will communicate with this remote FTP location to give the benefits for the citizens. So like this, lot of integrations will be available. This is our FTP, file transfer protocol. So whatever the benefits we want to send for the citizen, those benefits directly we are not going to send. Those benefits we will give to third-party provider. For the third-party provider, we will give the data by using a file. That file we are going to keep in the FTP location. That will be taken care by BI API. So this is the overall structure of our application. This is called project architecture. This is called as our project architecture. In the interview, you should explain this architecture also. When I say API, it is separate project. They will connect with the same database. Database is only one. Guys, just look at the diagram and see what are the modules, what are the APIs that are available in our project. Admin, user management, application registration, data collection, eligibility determination, correspondence, benefit issuance, and reports API. We'll explain that. Correspondence means sending acknowledgements, PDFs. You are approved or denied. You will get a letter for that. Reports is downloading. Correspondence means you applied. You will get a mail with your plan status. Actually, money sending is not from our project. Money sending is third party. We will give information to third party. They will send the money. No. FTP means file transfer protocol, guys. That is a location where we will store files. For the people who are approved, for them, how much amount we need to send, we'll keep in a file, we'll give the file to third party project. Third party project will read the file, will transfer the amount. Yeah. So you understand, just look at just basic architecture. You don't know complete information about the modules. I have not explained that yet. We will discuss about the modules slowly. So tomorrow you will get the complete picture. What is the purpose of each module? Got it? Yeah. So see, just tell me, what are the modules available in our project? How many modules are there first? There are total 8 modules are available in our project. What are those 8 modules? Admin module, user management, application registration, data collection, eligibility determination, correspondence, benefit issuance, and reports module is available. Reports module already we developed. What is that? Our first mini project. What is our second mini project? User management, creating the user account, unlocking the account. Same thing will be there here also, but there will be a change in the functionality. But most of that requirement is matching with the second mini project in the admin module. Might small changes will be available. So that is monolith application. Now we need to develop it as a microservices based application. First, we are going to focus only on this APIs development by using REST, right? So later UI part, we are going to take care of that. Fine. What is the purpose of these modules that I'm going to discuss in the tomorrow session? Not tomorrow. Sunday no. Sunday workshop कितना बजे? ये Sunday बोला था? 21st बोला था. Right. Okay, fine. Sunday, I will explain, guys. Tomorrow, we can't take the class because tomorrow is our institute 3rd anniversary. So we have a celebration here. Sunday, I will take the class because this week I had 2 to 3 leaves. So Sunday, I will take the regular class. Sunday, I will explain about this project, modules, and all that stuff, right? So Sunday, once we get the clarity on all the project modules, first of all, basically, we need to understand this diagram clearly. When you look at this diagram, now you have so many doubts in your mind. So in the Sunday session, Sunday morning at 10 o'clock, I will take the class. 10 to 12, I will take the session and I will explain that the project architecture, modules, purpose of the module clearly. Once you get the project architecture, project module, in the Monday, I will take the session for resume preparation directly. We can see how to prepare the resume, how to cover the gap as experience and all. Then you can start uploading your resumes in the Naukri for starting the interviews. From Wednesday, we will start the development of these APIs. Tuesday, you will have some doubts and all the resume preparation and all that part. Okay? So Monday, Tuesday, resume preparation, how to cover the gap as an experience. Mainly for people who want to go with experience, Monday, Tuesday sessions are very, very important. From Wednesday, we will start the development. You can start attending the interviews from the Wednesday. At least you will upload your resume in the Naukri. You will try to get some calls for that. Whenever you get a call from the company, how to manage that call. So companies will not call you directly. Consultancies will call you for the scheduling the interview. How to deal with the consultancy people for our interview schedule purpose. I will give all the tips on Tuesday session. So from Wednesday, you can upload your resume and we will start the development parallelly for this project. Okay. Sunday, I will take the class. 10 to 12, I will take the session. In the Sunday session, I will give the clarity on all the APIs that we have in the project. So tomorrow we have cake cutting celebration. After that, we have lunch. So we will, you people should be here by morning 10:30 or something like that. So from 11 o'clock, we'll start our celebration. Okay, fine guys. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.